I see a little yellow bit there. I see a bone. Dun 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 dun. And there's the culprit. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. She's like, she knows I'm not well and she keeps giving me cuddles. Ruby was doing the same earlier this morning. Like, she was like, Daisy, are you feeling alright? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get it. Okay, you're taking things a little bit far now. What are you doing? Daisy, you cut me up, man. You're hilarious. You got your bone? Ruby's got a bone. That's a good bone. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it. Do you want a bone? Do you want a bone? You want a bone? Oh, want a bone? 1, 2, 3. Go and get it. Oh, I broke something. Hiccups are not fun at all. 1, 2, go get it. Do do do. Well, that failed. Oh, okay then. Don't eat it. Hey everyone, so it's the next day and I haven't quite finished this vlog. As you can see, I only filmed a few clips yesterday. I was proper lazy and my cold was just like really bad and all I wanted to do was watch TV. Even that I didn't really particularly want to do all that much. So I thought that I would do like a Q&A to end this vlog. So I tweeted, I Instagrammed and I Snapchatted that I wanted you guys to ask me some questions and you did, so I will answer them without further ado. The first question comes from the Hooligans, who by the way has a great YouTube channel. If you haven't checked them out, go and check them out. They're Irish vloggers and they're amazing. I will link them in the description below. Their question is, Desert Island wish list. If you could only have one food. That is hard. But there's so many good foods, so what would I choose? It's gotta be pizza, right? It's gotta be pizza. I'd like maybe take like a lifetime supply of pizza with me. Next question is from Darian Kikoa. I think I say your last name. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Your question was, what got you started as a vlogger? Basically, 3 years ago when actually maybe it was 4 years ago, when my mum got diagnosed with cancer, I was feeling like really down and like just felt like there was nothing good in life and everything was like bad. So in order to escape all the badness of cancer and hospital appointments and just doom and gloom, I decided that I was going to start a YouTube channel, and it was just, at first it was just silly videos, me talking to my webcam about stuff I had done that day. It wasn't like proper vlogs. But then when I got a bit more comfortable with actual, like talking to a camera, and I felt, yeah, I can do this, this is easy. I decided I was going to properly start actually daily vlogs, and then I started that and I just started like venting about what I was feeling about my mum being ill and what was going like through my head, and I just sort of made it like a place where I could like just talk about what was going on, because I literally had no one around me. I felt so isolated and I felt so alone. And then after my mum died, I just realised how much I actually enjoyed vlogging, and so I carried it on. My TV just cut out. I'm also writing a blog this Saturday. The link will be on Saturday's vlog in the description. I'm basically going to write a blog about why I started YouTube and what I see in my YouTube future, and just general YouTube stuff. So if you're interested in that little blog post, as I say, on Saturday's vlog, I will link it in the description below. So look out for that. It should be good. The next question is from Stephanie Lloyd, who also has another great channel. I will link that one below as well. Her question is, what do you love about YouTube? Oh, that's a hard one. I love so many things about YouTube. I love that it's like a community and that you can like make a video and like someone like the other side of the world can be sitting and they can be watching like you live your life, and they can, like, say for instance someone in Australia maybe is like wondering what it's like in Scotland at this time of year. They can find your video and watch it and be like, oh, so this is what Scotland's like or whatever. And you can literally just find just about anything you want on YouTube, and it's really cool. Stephanie also asks, Ruby, do you love Stephanie? The next question comes from Just Me Laura A. I will also link her YouTube channel down below so you can check her out. She's another Scottish vlogger, so if you like Scottish vloggers like me, you can check her out. Her question is, where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years? That was very American. The next 5 to 10 years. Where do I see myself? Well, I would like to think that I would have a good-ish YouTube channel, hopefully. 10 years maybe, I don't know, maybe married, maybe with kids, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But hopefully with either a good job or YouTube's doing well. That's pretty much where I see myself in 5 to 10 years. Yeah, it's not something I've ever thought about, really. I just kind of go with the flow kind of thing, and I don't really think ahead, which is bad. I should really, but I don't. I just live in the moment and just, like, yeah, carry on. Like, ever since, like, my mum, I don't know why, but I just don't ever think about the future. I just live for the moment, and then whatever happens, happens. But if I could say what I would like to happen in 5 to 10 years, it would be that. The next question is from True V TV. I hope I got your YouTube name right. If not, I'm sorry. I will also link them down below. Their question is, who's your fave YouTuber? That's a hard one. I kind of like a few people at the moment. I'm enjoying watching Earl's family vlogs. I like watching Pointless Blog, Soella. I don't know. I like a few people at the moment. I don't have a specific favorite YouTuber. I just like a few different YouTubers. I don't really have a particular favorite, but yeah. So yeah, that's about it for today's Q&A. If you guys want to do more Q&As, let me know in the comments below, and if you guys want, I will do some more Q&A in the future. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure as always to give it a thumbs up and leave a little comment and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog, and it's a fun one. Logan's in it, so it should be a good vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pew!